Believe it or not, this is a pair of shoes, and I haven't opened it yet, but I'm very skeptical, and I figured I'd document it. And these are the shoes. I actually purchased them off of Walmart.com. Beautiful, like adorable, polka dot shoes, and $10, and it was like $8 for shipping. I purchased them, and it was probably about 3 weeks ago, and they finally arrived today. Shoes usually come in a box. These are in a very expensive shipping package, and so I'm going to open them up because the thing is I'm very skeptical. I could feel there's definitely shoes in there, but they're very lightweight. But I'm just wondering when I'm going to get here, and this might have been fun to document. So here we go. And if they are good, they have like a pink with black polka dots, and they also have black with white polka dots. If it's junk, I'll probably be returning it to Walmart, and I'll have to eat the shipping. Um, so here we go. And again, this is really an unboxing, unpackaging. I haven't opened this yet, but I'm very anxious because I've been waiting for like 3 weeks for this. Okay, I have to be real careful because there's no box. Okay, so far, ooh, okay. They're definitely the shoes. Let's take a look. And I'm going to try them on. Wow. All right, nothing else inside. So we'll get rid of that. Go over there. Okay. Okay, it's in a Ziploc kind of thing. So this is it. So far, they look really cute. Look at them. That's what I ordered, I think. Let's see. The size? I'll have to see after I open them. It says on it doesn't really say on the tag, but I'm pretty sure these came from China because it took, as I said, 3 weeks, and it was like, I forget the name of the service. It was like JD Logistics. Okay, the bottom of them, they're not used. No one's wore them. Thank you. That's awesome. Wow, I am impressed so far. And okay, let's get rid of that. Wow, these look nice. Except, oh, okay, I see. Okay, so there's the top part. If they had they put, oh, and this is supposed to be the bow. I guess you're supposed to tie your own bow. So this is what I got. And I guess the bow you have to tie it on. I got one of these, and I guess it's just one side against the bow. Oh no. So here we go. Right, so here we go. Beautiful shoe. Let's try them on. I have to take my little socks off. And I have my pantyhose that they slip on nice and easy. Okay. So, here we go. Now, oh, let me see what the size is. And there's a little circle on the bottom. I don't know if I can see the size on it. Let's see. It says 40 and a half anywhere, but if they fit, and it's very, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like, it's got like kind of like a white fur, which is cute. And I seen that in it's supposed to, I think it's supposed to be a little more fur on there. There's not a lot of fur. But if you look real close, you can see the texture on there. I still like them. I mean, let's try them. And I was skeptical, but I'm actually feeling a little bit better about it now. Wow, so far so good. And I don't know how. All right, something doesn't make sense here because how does it? There's a there's no way to unless I'm missing something. I never seen anything like this. There's really no way to. It doesn't reach the other side. So here's the thing. This is what I got. They are junk. Oh, they are junk. Here's the thing. And again, I'm trying to see, maybe I'm missing something, but it's supposed to, oh, but there's no thing to click it in, but there's no way that would go around my ankle. So this is the shoe, and there's no, it doesn't work because there's no way to connect them to the other side. There's no buckle as you, oh, here's the other, I found it. I think you're supposed to use this. Buddy, you know what's happening? These are reproducing themselves. I didn't know I have three of them. I couldn't find them before. I think they were all in one thing and one fell onto the floor. I think you're supposed to use this to tie it. And I think that's the purpose of this. Okay. And, okay. That's what this is. So my guess is there's a small hole right here. I don't know if you can see it. Right here, there's a small hole. And there's I thought there was one on this side. On the other shoe there was at least. Oh, yeah, it's hard to see. It's right here on the polka dot. So I guess you have to feed this through and tie it. So it ends up looking like this. So you're actually tying. So I'm going to pause this and try to do this. Hold on. Okay, so I went ahead and got a pair of tweezers and I fed this through. You know, I think I'm going to keep these because the thing is, I was going to send them back because I said there was no way I was going to get these on. Then I realized what the purpose of the bow. I just thought the bow was just this like pretty thing you put on the side because apparently they gave me three of them, but you think they would have gave me an even number, give me four. Maybe they try to give me two and they gave me one extra in case it rips, but there's potential. I could easily make something stronger than this or cut a piece of material from an old, something I have that I don't wear anymore. So let's see how these go on and how they look. Okay, so here we go. Let me get the left on. And I have to take the socks off again because when I went into the other room, okay, let's see. As far as walking around, and I'm going to do a little bit of walking and see how it works. And wow, so far there's potential here. But I just want to make it so it's secure. Okay, so I got this one on. My God, they're beautiful. Okay, so let's do the next one, and then we'll do a quick walk around with them and try them out. Maybe I should do a test run with them because before I start carrying the camera. So I don't know if you can see, but let's tie it up. It doesn't look like the picture with with the bow as cute as it does on a picture, but it's like the size is good. It's 8.5, and I do wear 8.5. Okay, got them. Okay. Okay. So let's take this off. I don't know if you can see them. You know, they're really not that bad. And so this is it. But yeah, so I kind of like them. They're beautiful. Anyway, truly, it's not what I expected. But at the same time, I'm not disappointed. I'm keeping these, and it was definitely worth the wait. I thought it was going to be much worse. The shoe was cheaper than the shipping, but yeah. So here they are, and that's what it looks like on the side. So tell me what you think. I think they're pretty cute. Anyway, thanks for watching.